Well, hello again, everyone. We are going to do a cold start now that we've done a walk around in the other video with the kind of paint and a little history on this Opel GT 1973. So with that, I've cracked the garage door and let's fire her up. All right, so I'm gonna pop the hood here. See if I can get the hood put on. Yep, there we go. All right. So everything's cold. No problem there. Okay. Swing back around here. What I like to do is prime it once, not necessarily because it needs to be primed, but because it'll engage the butterflies on the carburetor. Let's get our key in here. Okay, and let's start her up. There you go. See the, I guess the fast idle kicks in to get it warmed up. And there we go. Cold start on the 73 Opel. Thanks, everyone.